Hello there, my little muffin. Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I just really needed you. Like people need blood flowing in their veins. They'll die without it. And I would die without you. Am I that scary? Oh, I'm flattered. You do look adorable when your eyes go big like that. And you breathe fast and shaky. And that cute stomach of yours go up and down so fast. And the scared little sounds you make. It's just too much. I just want to squeeze the life out of you. But I can't, because then you won't make those cute noises anymore. You look like you need to say something, but you're struggling. That's adorable. What is it, cutie? What's wrong? Are you confused? I'll let you in on the loop, I suppose. You see, I am in love with you. There's that cute face again. You don't know me. Oh, that doesn't matter. I know you. I know everything about you. And we'll get to know each other soon enough. Let's start with the basics. My name is Switchblade. People call me it because of my nifty little switchblade here. Isn't it pretty? Would you like to try it out? Let me just lift up your shirt here. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that begging. Ooh, that just gets me so riled up. I'm just going to carve a little S right here on your cute stomach. Oh my. Does that hurt? I'm sorry. Aw, look at that. So pretty. Oh, goodness, listen to those whimpers. Oh, I love it. I could listen to that all day. You're too much, little muffin. I could just eat you up. Yes, I could. But that's for another day. I can't believe you're finally mine. No one can have you. All mine. All mine. All to myself. Your beauty. Your sweet voice. Your sweet face. Your sweet neck and arms and hands and stomach and chest. All of you is mine. And if anyone tries to take you from me, they'll get the other end of my switchblade. And not in the fun way, I'm afraid. Oh, I have a surprise for you, dear. I almost forgot. I'll go and get it ready while you rest. Don't go anywhere, okay? It's not like you can.